The Honourable Governor for East Sepik.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker. Before I ask my question, can I extend question time, please? Sick leave.
Honourable members, the question is that the question time be extended for 20 minutes. Those in favour, please stand.
Hey, Sana. My goodness.
No, got it.
Honourable members, you may be seated. Honourable Governor, you do not have a support to extend, so
I'm all right. Thank you,
just
Mr.
allow you
Speaker.
to ask your
Meeting
question.
mo narbla na mi asking, but I'm all right.
Yeah.
Thank you. Mr. Deputy Speaker, thank you long. Giving people long East Sepik time long ask him some important question. This la question and me ask him because me reading my report last week that's all me come out now. Me got some ask him where me concern him or people long East Sepik. Ask him you know got talk sabe by go long Minister belong Finance, good plan Minister belong Finance and walk out. So maybe Prime Minister I can
I'm sensing you when I'm walk out.
can I reserve? Oh, sorry, let me come back.
Honourable Governor, we have the Minister back, so as soon as he resumes his seat, I will allow you to ask your question.
Thank you, Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Honourable Minister, you have a question from the Governor, so I'll allow Governor ask your question.
Thank you. Ask him, you know, talk sabi go long good plan Minister belong Finance na me lo make him easy also me ask him lo facts na figures na me current budget book long government ni kam na me refer Minister go long volume 3A public investment program where need long department long sampla money ibini go inside where supposed long go long all province na all district need long 206 04860 got public infrastructure development program where 220 million Mipla or member of parliament been talk right long last year for this year's budget where all the provinces supposed to kisim one pla 10 million each. Na me like talk sabe all same time me check long my me looking all same planty blow display payment he go out finish. Na people belong East Sepik like sabe all same number one question 10 million belum people belum East Sepik stop yet or you play give him lo sample and la line enough all people belong East Sepik hari stop suppose minister enough lo talk sabe 10 million belong only go away. Number two ask him long bien him can same budget book where account 206 058 06010 district infrastructure development program where 480 million sit down where lo look sabe blomi desla money emi suppose lo go lo 11 district antap na abrusim desla PSIP na DSIP also same. So me like ask him desla ask him also me got 6 district inside long East Sepik Province desla 5 million lo 11 district long East Sepik emi go piniso you play holy mieto no God please enough you talk sabe na people lo East Sepik you can harim nothing or narbla district to isinda no like sabe only kisim desla 5 million or no God me talk sabe ken also account 206 06412 district infrastructure kina for kina program 456 million total of over 1.1 billion kina where misina no all bucket where stop underneath long look out long minister there's la kina for kina 456 million enough minister talks away who side through kisim inside lo this la parliament so me bla all get I can sabe na people blow East Sepik too you can sabe also only got scale blow inside lo hap or no got because no good nubla budget he come back na ipla by put him same something na giamani people belong East Sepik na people belong East Sepik by to yasa lo here na still now 4 more weeks by account he close so me like sabe blow people blow East Sepik by come or no got na suppose no got in a good plan minister he talks sabe why but you plan on have given people belong East Sepik or something where you put him inside the budget well on name law. Thank you Mr. Deputy Speaker.
Thank you.
The Honourable Minister for Finance.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Me taking this time lo talk thank you lo Governor of East Sepik. This these are appropriation bills that the finance department normally pays to those who are appropriated inside the budget. As such, East Sepik provincial government is entitled to receive 10 million. And your government was given 7 million already from my records.
Honorable Minister, resume your seat. We have a point of order from the
My point of order is that I think the minister is probably referring to PSIP. I have a full view of all the accounts in my province, from the provincial government all the way through to the PHA. I've got all the figures, and there is no such thing as a 7 million payment out of a warrant, out of a CFC, that would come from the account 04860. Let me not look it.
Honorable Governor,
Them can give me copy.
your point of order is in order. I think that's the minister's response. I'll allow him to complete his answer.
Thank
Honorable
you.
Minister.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Okay, everybody is entitled to receive 10 million, including the Kina for Kina and infrastructure grants. And as my record shows, that every East Sepik provincial urban members and districts have received Kina for Kina. My record shows that every members of parliament. Let me finish. I was listening when you were asking the question.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order. Let me allow him to raise his point of order.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker.
The honorable member for Amuri Draike.
Now the minister is saying that he's
Honorable
already paid to East
Honorable
Sepik.
member, when you ask for a point of order, you have to wait for me to ask you to talk. Don't talk before the speaker. So, honorable member, go ahead.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Sa minister, I'm talking about sa Mokata province, the district is in Pinis. Enough tomorrow, I'm currently preparing to talk sa Lamibla, Hamos province, is in Pinis, Hamos district is in Pinis, sa Moni, I'm talking about. According to the government, me asking question. Three black and money. Enough, I'm giving more details for tomorrow, the paper, and we're going to look him.
Honorable,
That's my question.
Honorable member, I will rule your point of order out of order. It's like you are asking a supplementary question. So,
It's a point of
I think the minister have noted. So I'll let him to answer during his question time. Honorable Minister.
Thank you for that question as well. I've tried my best to give every member Kina for Kina and retired everyone. Those who are complaining here, those who stay in Mosby and not going into the electorates to spend those DSIPs and PSIPs. Because almost 4 billion Kina, Honorable Governor, I was listening when you were asking me the question. Let me finish it first.
Thank you, good minister.
Honorable Minister, we have a point of order.
Thank you. Me no ask him lo PSIP or DSIP. Me ask him you lo Capital Investment Program PIP Volume 3A, which is not PSIP, which is not DSIP. I am asking about Provincial Infrastructure Program, budget item 04860. Desala ino PSIP, desala ino DSIP. Desala and Provincial Infrastructure Program. Let me different.
Honorable Governor, thank you. Point of order, blue and order. I think Minister now so start him back in Blongem. So if we go ahead, I think he will make mention. So I'll allow the minister to go ahead and respond.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Thank you for the supplementary question again from the Governor. Some of the PIB projects are part under national planning.
This is finance department.
Go ahead, Minister.
Finance only manages the expenditure part of it. So I have no answer to answer that very beautiful question from the Governor. And I will get a comprehensive answer for him tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Minister. Honorable members, our question time has lapsed. Leader of Government Business.
Mr. Acting Speaker, I ask leave of Parliament to move a motion without notice.
Is leave granted? Leave granted. Leader of Government Business.
Mr. Acting Speaker, I move that Mr. Freddie Kumai be discharged as Deputy Chairman of the Permanent Parliamentary Committee on Public Accounts and that he be appointed Chairman of the committee.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those in favor say aye. Those against say no. Ayes have it. Leader of Government Business.
Deputy Speaker, I move that Parliament adjourn to 10 a.m. tomorrow.
The question is that the motion be agreed to. Those in favor say aye. Those against say no. Ayes have it. Honourable members, I now adjourn Parliament to tomorrow 10 o'clock a.m.